Primatology is the scientific study of monkeys, apes, and the prosimians. Knowledge of primate behaviour and biology is key for understanding human evolution, as we share common ancestors with primates, for informing conservation efforts, as many species are threatened by habitat loss and human encroachment, and for improving the welfare of primates in situ in their natural habitats and ex situ, so for example breeding programmes in zoos.
My favourite thing about the course was learning about all the new technology. So learning how to use GPS data, camera trap data, drones as well, all to study different primates, either in the wild or in captivity. I thought the teaching support was amazing. I had a personal tutor and they were always there. They were happy to help, answer any questions or solve any problems. And then my tutor for my dissertation project also gave me lots of support on the course. I used the labs to do some DNA extraction. So we were given some fecal samples and we were able to extract the DNA from the sample. And it was amazing learning how to use the lab and all the different technology they had there.
So right now I'm sitting in the genetics lab where we do lots of cutting edge genomic stuff. This includes things like conservation genetics, looking at genetic diversity amongst different primate populations. Beyond the genetics lab, we also have the hormone lab, the endocrinology lab, where we look at things like stress variation between different primate populations, different primate groups. Also sex hormones, looking at conservation as well. Currently we have a field course that runs to Morocco, to Ifrane National Park, which is home to one of the largest populations of Barbary macaques, which are an endangered primate species. And as part of this currently planned field course, the students will go out and see these animals in their natural habitat in the Atlas cedar forests of northern Morocco. They will get to see how these animals interact with their natural environment, but also these monkeys face a lot of human conflict through things like ecotourism and agriculture, and students will learn how to quantify these issues and potentially come up with solutions on how to cope with them.
On our modules, we focus on developing transferable skills. This might be, for example, talking at conferences, writing scientific research papers, how to network with academics, and presenting posters. We're proud of the number of our students that have gone on to do PhD studies and subsequently gone into academia themselves. At John Moores, we've hosted a number of conferences and we encourage our students to present at these.
The research project module is a third of the degree programme, so it's 60 credits. It's quite a chunk of the programme. And it's an opportunity for students to really specialise in a topic that they're interested in. We assign supervisors fairly early on in the programme in November, so students can start developing their idea in collaboration with their supervisor. And also through the research methods module, students have feedback and are able to develop their idea within a grant proposal assessment on that module.
I've been on and off in Liverpool for a very long time and there's always something new to try. So I think it's great as a student, especially as a new student, to come somewhere like here, and it helps you network more when you're able to meet and socialise outside the university, and I think Liverpool allows that.
Being a student in Liverpool is amazing. It's such a vibrant city. There's so much you can do. Anything you want to do, you can find it here.